Well, this has been another tremendous day for the Bolder Boulder, full of people in participation, champions and challenges, running and remembrance. And you know, somehow, this is a performance that the people of Boulder seem to top each and every year.
I've never done this race before. I was tricked into it.
Get your calories on!
5.5 months ago, I was given a 10 to 15% chance to live, and now I'm here running a 10K.
What I see is a wonderful community event.
I'm excited to see all the yard parties and do some cake stand.
Bolder Boulder! I feel great. It's a nice day out.
I love it. There's a lot of good energy, a lot of fun people out here.
It's just a community event that we love and love to be a part of.
Free cinnamon sugar French toast!
Really enjoying it. This is the most fun race I've been to in a long time.
Excited. They put on costumes.
It's just a tradition. I love traditions.
There's a slip and slide. You know, there's free bacon.
Yeah. Oh, delicious.
There's really anything you want in a race.
Well, that's it for Root Sports coverage of the 2014 Bolder Boulder. Hope you had a good time, and I hope you come back next year. I'm Greg Moody. Enjoy your summer.